Use our quick, easy method to make 3-color hourglass units without cutting triangles. Cut one set of matching squares and one set of non-matching squares. On the wrong side of one non-matching square, draw a diagonal line. Mark sewing lines 1/4 inch away on each side of the line. Place the marked square on one square from the matching set, right sides facing. Stitch both marked sewing lines. Cut between the rows of stitching to make 2 triangle squares. Repeat to make a second set of triangle squares. Press the seam allowance toward the darker fabric. On the wrong side of one triangle square, draw a diagonal line perpendicular to the seam and mark sewing lines 1/4 inch away on each side of the line. Place the marked triangle square on one triangle square from the second set with right sides facing and matching fabrics opposite each other. Stitch both marked sewing lines. Cut between the rows of stitching to create 2 3-color hourglass units. Press the seam allowance to one side. Repeat all the steps to make the additional 3-color hourglass units.